This is Brittany with WTI, and let's organize your underwear drawer. This organizer is so versatile and customizable, and that's what I hugely appreciate it. So it's like a little honeycomb situation, and it comes with all of these different panels that you just attach to each other. So they come like this, and then you just literally snap them in place. They're so easy to work with, and they're actually thin enough to where you can cut them to size so that you can completely customize how they are in your drawer to fit whatever sizing you have. So I really love these. You just snap them together and fit them together, and they just pull apart so easy. And then you can reconfigure them or move them around or change the sizing, whatever you need to do. Even the honeycomb shape itself makes your underwear drawer look extra fancy and even better. I personally really liked that. They're a very good size. You can fit, I actually can fit multiple pairs of underwear in one. So these have absolutely changed my life and changed my underwear drawer. And that's my point of view.